Dinner sweet and sour fish.
Oh, thank you, baby. Looks delicious.
You're welcome. So babe, this is the fish that you caught.
Is it?
Sargo, yeah.
It's a Sargo. Give you right here.
Do you want the tails or do you want the heads?
I want the tail.
Okay. I haven't tasted Sargo before, so
Me neither. So we're about to find
we'll
out.
see, yeah.
Let's see. I don't know. They're abundant, so. Oops. There's thousands of these guys in the shallows, some spatula. I like this pineapple in there, so. Okay.
Try it.
First bite. Here we go. The fruits of my labor here. It's not bad.
What does it taste like?
A little bone in there. It's really reminds me of tilapia. actually. It's not bad. It's a fish. It's not super like fishy as they call it, but it's definitely not the most tender fish in the world either. But it's not bad. It's also great. It just like elevates the fish. I like it. Good job, Mahal.
Thank you. Babe, could you tell the viewers how you caught the fish?
Yeah, that's fine. So I don't catch it. I mean, I do fish on a rod and reel, you know, like a pole sometimes, but sometimes I prefer spearfishing. And so I'll, you know, hold my breath and swim down, and I have a spear gun and shoot the fish and bag them and tag them, and bring them home.
Yeah.
Yeah, spearfishing.
Good.
It's a very selective form of fishing. So when you fish with a rod, you never know what you're gonna pull up. You know, so you can actually accidentally pull up undersized fish and injure them. With spearfishing, you pick just the correct size that you want or species. So it's very selective fishing.
Well, thank you.
Yep.